NAR because this is a huge difference. Okay, let me show you how I got here. Hello, welcome back. I'm Bri-Anne Alexis. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you how I, a girl that cannot curl her hair, gets amazing results with a curling iron. To be honest, I didn't even think I could do this. If you saw my other TikTok videos, you would see that I've been trying to get a certain look. I've been struggling. You'd see me flailing around with my old one and none of it was working. And I didn't know that it was so important to have great tools. So thank you to Tymo for this partnership. You're going to see the huge difference that quality tools make. So you can see here that my hair is wet. I've already taken off my head towel and I'm just detangling it now. And I'm going to show you exactly what products I use to prep my hair. So these are the products that I'm using now. You'll notice that they're a little different from my first flat iron video. I've changed it because I've been looking for something more moisturizing and I finally feel like this is the combo for me. I've linked all these products down below if you'd like, but if you do want me to make a video on my new routine, I'd be more than happy to do that. So once the product is all in my hair, I massage it into my scalp and then detangle it just because I really want to make sure that it's evenly distributed. And then I put my hair into 4 kind of like Bantu knots. I kind of just twist them any kind of way just to keep them separated from each other so that it's easy for me to blow dry. Alright, let's get into this hypersonic. Oh my goodness, it's stunning. It comes with a carrying case and you can see that it's so sleek and lightweight. We've got 2 nozzles that it comes with. You've got the first one is a smoothing nozzle, the second one is a styling nozzle, and then we've got a diffuser for all the curly girls. There's a manual and underneath you also have your nozzle to clean out any of the air vents. On the handle itself, we've got an airflow, temperature, and power button, and the back is LCD so you can see the temperature and the settings that you're choosing. And the front is magnetic, and that's how the nozzles go on with a simple click. Oh, it's the best. As for settings, I like to keep mine on 140 or 175. It goes all the way up to 210, and when you first turn it on, it starts off at room temperature. So in case you're looking for a blow dry with no heat, it's a perfect option. As for airflow, I like to keep it on 2 dots. That was the 2 dots at the bottom, which is medium. I feel like 3 would just blow me into the States, so I stay away from that. For the most part, I never know if I'll need it, but that's what I do. So now that my hair is fully dry, I'm going to show you the length because I'm going to put in clip-ins. Because it's a curly style, obviously when you curl it, it gets shorter, and I really want that length and volume, so I'm going to go ahead and put in the clip-ins after. Alright, so you can see that we've got the star of the show here, the Tymo Rota. Now the best thing about this curling iron is that it automatically turns the wand for you. So it comes with a glove, clips, and a carrying case. So it's a 1.25 titanium barrel that goes all the way up to 430. You can see here that each of these dots are different temperatures, and I usually like to keep mine on 3 or 2. I don't go all the way up to the 5th one, which would be 430, but you can, by all means. All you have to do is press the button one more time and it goes up to the next level. And here we have the best feature, the rotating wand. You just click the direction that you want the wand to turn and it will turn that way. My best piece of advice is once you curl all the way up to the top, immediately switch your fingers to the opposite direction to uncurl it, because you don't want to have it next to your head and you mistakenly press the same button that took it up there and it sticks, right? So as soon as you get it to the top, switch fingers and you'll have no problem pulling it back down. My clip-ins are in, my glove is on, and I'm ready to curl my hair. It is so quick, so simple. All you have to do is take a piece of hair, put the end in the clamp, and then you're going to press the button in the direction that you want the barrel to turn. So once your hair is all the way to the top, you're going to hear a beep 8 seconds after you've pressed the last arrow button. Okay, so it's assuming that the last time you pressed it is where you want the curl to be, and that's where it'll start counting from. I even set a timer to show you exactly how fast this is. And remember, I'm a girl that can barely curl her hair, okay? So for me to be able to do this in under 30 seconds is unbelievable. That's from the moment I put my phone down, and that included the time it took me to actually get my hair into the curling iron. So fast, so simple. You already know that your girl got a discount code for you. Bri-Anne25 will get you 25% off, and I'm going to have the website link and the Amazon shop in the description below. Do not forget to use that. I mean, who doesn't want 25% off? Come on. Here you can see I'm getting so excited and I've only done half of my head, but yes, it gets better, so just keep watching. And I'm done. I'm going to turn around and show you the back. You can see my tracks. I know I'm about to brush everything together to pull it in for that final look. It was so soft and so shiny. It just blended so perfectly in with my clip-ins, and I couldn't be more happy. I just feel like it took me so long to finally achieve this style, and little did I know all I had to do was switch my tools. Thank you, Tymo, for coming in and absolutely changing my curl routine.
What you said, I need apologies from you. Take back every word, make it all go away. Take back what you said, I need apologies from you. Take back every word, make it all go away.
I give you a lot of time to see the final look just because I feel like when I watch other people's videos, I just feel like they don't give you enough time to actually see how it came out. So this is how it came out. You can see more of me on Instagram and TikTok. Don't forget to follow me there. Also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!